Good evening, VV Nation, and welcome to the channel. My name is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest. Love bringing you these videos. So for the next few weeks or so, I'm going to be giving videos on Tuesday that talk about stocks that are on my radar. And so far, they've been killing it. If you want to see some performance of these stocks that we've given in these videos, stay to the end. I'm going to show you. And guess what? I added more stocks to that portfolio. So again, you got to stay to the end to see how they've been working out and why I'm so excited about bringing this Tuesday series of stocks on my radar to you. So the biggest thing that we want to start off with is what news is driving these stocks, and you want to know what these stocks are. So let's get right into it. The first stock on my list is Power Solutions International, ticker symbol PSI. And first off, you can see over the last 3 months what it's been doing, but I want to spend time on these stocks and what they do. Power Solutions International designs, engineers, manufactures, markets, and sells a broad range of advanced emission certified engines and power systems that are powered by a wide variety of clean alternative fuels. Such as natural gas, propane, and biofuels, as well as gasoline and diesel options within the power systems, industrial and transportation and markets. So I like this as a clean energy play. As you can see today, it's down. It is what it is, all right? But it doesn't scare me from the opportunity to get into your hands a possibility of a stock. Let's scroll down a little bit to the news. Craig Halium sticks to their buy rating on Power Solutions November 21st. Power Solutions International reports improved earnings on November 19th, and Power Solutions price target raised to 37 from 22. Again, I didn't want to look at individual news and get bogged down in that. I wanted to see some of the headlines on these stocks. So the first stock is Power Solutions International. Next one is CRNT, which is Ceragon Networks. Offers wireless backhaul solutions. So CRNT I like for wireless and 5G. The company's products include FibeAir IP20 platform, FibeAir IP20 assured platform, and network management. So this is primarily for wireless and 5G. The company provides its services to wireless service providers, public safety organizations, like emergency people, government agencies, and utility companies, among others. So they're widely put out there from the 5G, from the wireless, to help a myriad of different types of people, but it's primarily in the wireless and 5G space. There's the 3-month graph on the stock. Positive outlook on Ceragon, fueled by strong performance and promising prospects. Ceragon reports strong Q3. Ceragon sees strong Q3 revenues. Again, a stock that's got growing revenue is a stock that people are interested in. All right, next stock, OppFi. New high today. As I record this video, new 52-week high. Look at the 3-month graph. Provides tech-enabled, mission-driven specialty finance platform that broadens the reach of community banks to extend credit access to everyday Americans. Everyday Americans want to have the opportunity to have credit, right? Do you? That's a different story for a different time. So this is a fintech stock, up 1.97% today. Nice 3-month view going down. OppFi receives a buy from Northland Securities. That was earlier in the month. OppFi announces record earnings and revenue growth. Another stock with revenue growth. Again, that's why it's on my radar. All right, go to the next stock, MPTI. Up 3.83% on a down day today. 3-month view, Mtron Industries designs, manufactures, and markets frequency and spectrum control products. The company provides solutions for communication and control. Oh, just like the stock we just looked at. But this is different. For radar, electronic warfare, guided munitions, test and measurements, computers and servers and networks, and energy management applications. This my friend, I think is a very good defense stock with all of the communications for a lot of war stuff, right? And going into the next administration, it's all about a stronger military. I like this play, up 2.85% today. News on it, Mtron reports strong quarter 3, that's November 14th, raises fiscal year 24 revenue from 46 to 48, from 46 to 48, from 43 to 45. Again, another revenue play. I think revenue needs to play a big role in these stocks that are on my radar. And the last one is my favorite one. All right, it's my favorite one, but it may be my riskiest one. Poet Technologies is a design and development company. It offers high-speed optical engines, light source products, and custom optical modules to artificial intelligence. AI space. Now, the thing I like about what this stock does, and many of you may not know why this stock is high on my radar, based on Poet, optical interposer, a novel patented platform that allows the integration of electronic and photonic devices on a single chip using wafer-level semiconductor manufacturing. I think that this company could prove to be a valuable asset to NVIDIA with their chips that are overheating, because being able to add the integration of electronic and photonic onto a chip allows it to work harder without overheating. Keep your eyes on this stock. Keep your eyes on this stock. Here's the 3-month view. Again, it's probably not a household name, but it is probably the most aggressive of my picks. I like what the technology is, and it's patented that they can put electronic and photonic on a chip to work both. And I think that as chips are being pushed to the maximum of what they can do, this technology allows them to work harder without being overheated. Again, you heard it here first about Poet Technologies. All right, let's go into the software. Let's take a look at the stocks. Let me change this up real quick. Let's take a look at the stocks. Here's my stocks. By the way, you just saw on the screen pop up about the 2025 two-day investment seminar. The seats are selling fast for the people to go live. Go to www.vectorvest.com/Tampa to get your live seats before they all go away. All right, I'm putting that out there. Remember, it's January 10th and 11th in Tampa. If you want to go live, you need to do it and do it pretty quickly. Now, you'll notice that one of the stocks in here is a sell. Oh, you know why? Because when I want to look for stocks that are on my radar, I want to know if the momentum is there behind them. Notice that I took this back to the beginning of the month, 11/1 of 2024. I'm going to quick test these. Let me see if we got momentum. And holy smokes, we got us some momentum. Every stock from the beginning of this month are up double digits. CRNT is at the top of the list. Here's my aggressive stock, Poet, up 30%, MPTI up 29.67%, blowing the VectorVest composite out of the water. Over the last month, up over 43%. So I say we got momentum. Let's stream these and let's take a look at them now and why I like these. The biggest thing I like about these stocks, 4 of these 5 stocks have relative values above 1, which means that these stocks have good upside potential as compared to a AAA corporate bond. None of them are super safe from the viewpoint of meeting or exceeding earnings, but we saw a couple of these stocks have revenue growth that's really good. All of these stocks are in uptrends. RTs are above 1. All of these stocks are fundamentally all together. VSTs above 1. All of these stocks go up more than they go down by way of CI. CI is the comfort index. It looks at a stock's ability to withstand long or lengthy price declines. Especially if I'm looking at stocks that are on my radar, I want stocks that go up more than they go down. Poet, I told you, is going to be my more aggressive play. Even though it's nicely up today, it's got an earnings growth of -8%. But I like the technology going forward. Notice that the other 4 that also have RVs above 1 all have double-digit earnings growth. Again, I think that this is a well put together list of stocks that are on my radar that you have to pay attention to. Now, why am I so up on looking at stocks that are on my radar. I'll tell you why. I'm going to go to portfolios. In the portfolios, I have a portfolio that I started on 11/21, which was, 5 trading days ago, 5 days ago, 5 calendar days ago. I called it Rock Your World. I now call it Rock Your World Radar Stocks. 20.83%, just going up, 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 up. All right, now notice these are stocks that I had in the list before. I added 2 stocks today from today's list, MPTI and Poet. And again, Poet is my more aggressive play. As I started this today, these stocks today, look at this. My more aggressive stock is already up almost 3% already. That's just today. Again, these are stocks that meet my criteria for stocks that are on my radar, stocks that you need to keep your eyes on. That's an amazing number in just a few days. Now, I want to show you something else. 2 stocks went away. That's why I added 2 new stocks. Let me show you why the other stocks went away. I had in this list, Archer went up 35.5%. My stop, which is a 50-15 stop, it got me out. All right, the 15 is a trailing stop, actually. And then Fate, that therapeutic stock, I've had a lot of people say, thank you, Glenn, for Fate. We got out of it at a 49.28%. So the stocks that got us out, we made really good gains on these stocks. They were very inexpensive, and they made a lot of money in a short amount of time. Now you can understand why I am so excited starting this series on Tuesdays of stocks that are on my radar. If you want to keep seeing these on Tuesdays, let me know in the chat. Say, just type in the word Tuesday. Means that you want to keep seeing these stocks every Tuesday until we don't want to see them anymore. But I'm very excited of bringing to you stocks that are on my radar through all of the research that I do to bring those and put them into your hands. All right, so that's it in a nutshell. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you're brand new to the channel, and you like this content, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Every Tuesday you come back here, I will give you more stocks that are on my radar. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya. Here, Black Friday, we got all the big screen TVs that we could ever want. This Black Friday here at VectorVest, take an opportunity to invest in yourself. The unbelievable price of 99 cents for a trial of the VectorVest software can put you on the path to financial freedom, and you can get whatever you want on any Black Friday going forward. www.vectorvest.com/YT.